Just when you thought it was all over, there's part two. Roman science and engineering, arches this time, aqueducts, vaults, and stuff. I wonder what the stuff is. Learning objective. Explain how the ancient Romans created structures that lasted thousands of years. All right, and the word is created. Structures is the word. All right, let's go to the next. Let's look at our summary questions. They're half done for you. What kind of structures did blank? And number two, how did the ancient Romans blank? Well, how did they eat? How did they dance? Nope. Something else. Figure it out. Concept development. Another way the Romans created structures to last was by using arches. Because of its rounded shape, an arch can support much heavier weights than other shapes can. This strength has allowed arched structures, such as Roman bridges, to last until the present. All right, let's see. Using arches. Like McDonald's, the golden arches. This strength, or is our other word, strength. Any other words in here? Let's see. No, I think we're good. Okay, and just to show you some pictures of arches, that is the Colosseum in Rome. You can see here the arch shaped, and each one is holding up the other. The question, what architectural design allowed the Romans to build structures that last? The Romans also used arches in their aqueducts. An aqueduct was a channel used to carry water from mountains into cities. When they crossed deep valleys, aqueducts were supported by rows of arches. The Romans' aqueducts were so well built that many still stand today. Yes, indeed they do. Our first word is aqueducts, and then our second is water. So when you think of an aqueduct, think water. In fact, this first part of the word aqua, aquae, comes from the word aqua, meaning water. That's what it means. Bet you didn't know that. All right, let's see. So we got aqueduct down. Channel? No, it's not like your TV channel. Channel means like kind of like a ditch. You know, that's a channel. There's stuff that's running through there. In this case, it would be water running through the channel. All right, let's look at the question. Actually, first it's some pictures explaining how the aqueducts work. Okay, so check this out. Over here is the reservoir. The reservoir is just a body of water. It's where the water was. Then you have an intake where the water goes into. And then you have the channel running across here. And notice that it's in an decline, going downwards in a sort of gradual way here. And so there's a chasm here, sort of it's going down. So instead of the water going down like this, so here they built an aqueduct, sort of bridge for the water, if you will, going down, and it just reaches the city that way. You can do it. They also did underwater aqueducts. This is a modern aqueduct. Now we don't have to build those things. We have pumps. So when it goes down here, the pump will pump it up. Pump the jams, pump it up. Remember that song? No. Okay, and then it just goes up. It goes in the treatment plant. So, it's filtered and all that, and it goes to the city. Notice there's no treatment plant here. So I wonder if the Romans drank dirty water. Anyway, probably cleaner than ours. This is a closer look at the aqueduct from sort of like a 3D view. Different tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And you can see the channel here. The blue is obviously the water. It's coming. So the water would run on top of the aqueduct, the toppest tier. This is just a picture of an actual one in Rome. You can tell it's been photoshopped or lightroomed a lot because the colors are awfully bright. Anyway, so this is the top tier, and the water would run through that channel on the top there into the city. There's another aqueduct. You can see the channel actually right here, going all the way, and then it'd spin over here. So this video is going to show you some clowns trying it out. No, I'm just kidding. There's some guys trying it out for themselves, see how it works. So let's watch that, and then we'll come back to this lesson. Alright, so now you saw that video. There's actually another video we can watch. I think this one's about the Colorado River Aqueduct or something like that. It's a modern aqueduct. It's pretty cool. Alright, so after you've seen the pictures, read the paragraph, and seen these videos, let's keep it simple. What is an aqueduct? Last paragraph. Roman builders also learned how to combine arches to create vaults. A vault is a set of arches that supports the roof of a building. The Romans used vaults to create huge open areas within buildings. As a result, Roman buildings were much larger than anything that had come before. The words we're looking for are vaults and supports. Let's see any other words here we need. I think you guys know all of those words. So let's look at some pictures now. This is a vault. So a vault is simply a combination of arches. And you can see here they put these four arches together and you have a vault. And that is supposed to be stronger than just an arch by itself. Here's a picture of an actual vault. You can see this beautiful structure here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This is an outside hallway, as you would see, leading to a door. This is more of an outdoor arch. These are huge. You can see the person right here. They'll give you an idea of the scale of that arch. And interestingly enough, inside of this large arch, there's actually a smaller arch here and here. And I believe even inside there. So arches all around. Yay, the golden arches. Question, how were the Romans able to build large structures? Okay, before you get to the skill development, there's at the bottom, says draw a picture of an aqueduct below. So you want to do that. And then you're going to do claim and evidence. I love it, I love it, I love it. There's your claim. Roman aqueducts were very well built. Give me some evidence to make me believe it. The next one, Roman builders, architects, were smart. Make me believe it. Give me some evidence. Give me some proof. Okay, after that, your summary questions. Again, you don't have to rewrite the question. Just go ahead and answer the questions. Alright, so that's it for this video lesson. Roman Science and Engineering Part 2. Take care, everybody. So long.